Hey guys, Patrick down the eXp Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Pooler, Georgia, Hampton Place really. And we're looking at a home, no HOA at Hampton Place here. Pretty cool setup going on in the 320 range. So if you want to talk about this one, give me a call at 912-657-3544. We're about to see what is going on in Pooler for about 320. So let's check this out.
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, like I said, 2-car garage up front. Well maintained, no HOA here. So you're gonna see they have beware of chickens disguised as witches. What? Oh man, yeah, you're about to see what's going on over here. Talking about free eggs. I mean, you get some chickens, apparently free eggs is the way to go. But here you go, boom, look at this when you come in. I like the setup here in the living room into dining room area right here, chair rail, going all the way around. I love that. Nice wide open windows. See, look at that. Free eggs, shell yeah. Shell yeah. But yeah, nice little spot for dining here. Love that. And then we go, of course, high ceilings in this great living room right here. I love it. The high ceilings make it feel like it's bigger than it actually is. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's still decent size, but you know, that actually adds to it. Here's the fireplace right there, as you can see. Love the accent walls they did going around. Really cool. But then go into the little eating nook area right there. If you want to put another area to eat, that could be like just your breakfast nook or whatever. And then goes into this. Boom, galley kitchen, granite countertops. So you see white cabinets, white dishwasher, stainless steel, everything else. So yeah, I like the backsplash. I like the light fixtures. Yeah, so plenty of space here. Refrigerator's nice. And then you got 2 pantries. One cha, one cha. So you can do it like they did it. And one side is for air fryers, the other side is for food. There's your laundry room. We're gonna go into the garage next. But let's check out the primary bedroom first. So we come to the primary bedroom. Here we go, bang. Nice size, king size bed all day. Probably fit a recliner in here with a king size bed if you like. Tray ceilings, crown molding on the inside. Fan and lights, so boom, look at that. So much light. So much room though. In that 320 range in Pooler, so many options. If you're a first-time home buyer, this will work great for the Georgia Dream if you wanted to do that. If you're a VA home buyer, you know, or maybe you don't know, you can use a VA loan at 0 down payment. There is a fee called a VA funding fee that goes with it, but if you're disabled, more than 10% disabled, and like retired, or you got out of the military with a disability rating of 10% or more, that fee is waived. So, and that can be, that's thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I think the first time you use your VA loan, it's like a 3.15% or 2.15% like fee, but if you're disabled, you don't have it. I love this shower, man, wow. I stayed on this shower a lot because I didn't expect it when I came in here the first time, but wow, you don't see them in homes like this for sure. So yeah, really cool. All right, let's go down here to the closet. Closet's okay, walk-in closet, you know, pretty standard. Okay. I want to come into this garage while we're here. Just gonna hit it up. Really quick garage style. Of course, they're moving, so you would expect moving style things. Did not expect like a Millennium Falcon style thing, but you know, what are you gonna do? Okay, cool. Now, like I said, it's a split floor plan, so I'm gonna show you the other side All right, 3 bedrooms over here. And then we're gonna go to the main event outside, which if you're into chickens, you can see them from right here. Bang, chicken outside your window. Wake you up in the morning, alarm clock style, what? If you have a hard time waking up in the morning, if you are the lucky owner of this bedroom, there is no way you have a problem waking up. The chickens are right next to you. How does it get more convenient to wake up in the morning than that? 5 chickens, just chickening away. All right, here's the shower tub combo for this guest bathroom right here. Granite countertops, as I had said in the other bathroom. Linen closet or coat closet, whatever you want this to be. Come down here, 2 more rooms, guys, 2 more rooms. And this thing has a ton to offer. Like I said, the location, hard to beat. I mean, you're right next to 16, you're next to Costco, you're next to Crumble Cookie, Five Guys. They 5 dudes got together and made a burger place that everybody likes. Thus named Five Guys. I don't know if that's the real story. Sounds like that's the story they should tell if it's not. And then they got Wayback Burger, they got, I mean, all the conveniences you could possibly want. Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's, you buy everything. Everything, and you got Subway, Your Pie, like jalapenos, like all kinds of stuff. All kinds, all right. Now, let's go on down to the outside and check out this backyard. You gotta watch the chicken stuff. Chicken stuff is on the ground because they have chickens. They put boots on when they come back here. I should have brought my boots. What's up, guys? Well, that guy's like, I'm ready to lay some eggs. I don't know how chickens work, obviously, so I don't know if they're gonna lay eggs, but yeah. So we got going on. So if you are looking for a place with a chicken coop or decent sized backyard, you can take the chicken coop out, but why would you at this point, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go back inside because I'm not properly equipped to be out here with these chickens. So if you are looking for a home that is about 320 range, situated perfectly in Pooler, where you can be next to all the shopping and restaurants, Highway 16 that gets you to 95 real quick, this is the house for you. So give me a call, 912-657-3544. I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.